We're going to try our first FPV flights now. So I got my goggles on and plugged in, radio's on, plug in the quadcopter, and let's see how she does. FPV feed looks good. Motor's on. And I'm just going to go low and slow in horizon mode. Signal looks good. Here I am. Okay, let's put it in acro mode. Something I don't recommend you do right now, but I'm going to. And now we're in acro mode. Punch it. Ooh, we got to turn up the anti-gravity. It pulls. Let's see how it does with a flip. Good. Okay. Let's get a little closer. It's too far away for me. I don't feel like walking. How about a roll? Whoa! That was not good. Whoa. And that was really too close. Okay, we're going to put it back in horizon mode. We've got a lot of tuning to do on this. And it looks like... How are we doing for speed? It definitely needs a bit of tuning. But it's doing pretty good. Let's see if we can get through a gate. It's really windy. Whoa! First crash. Wow. It's durable. Look, it crashed and it's still in the air. Let's see if we can make it through this one. Yay! Okay, I think that's enough for the first flight. Battery's getting low, so let's bring it in for landing. First FPV flight was quite successful. A lot of bit of tuning to do, but we'll be on our way soon. We'll see you in the next lesson and the next course. Happy flying.